casting. Vacuum casting is a special casting process where the casting product is produced using a pair of dies containing vacuum in it. Let's understand this process with the help of an example. Consider the setup as shown. We can see that the setup consists of two chambers, one at the top and the other at the bottom. The top chamber consists of a pair of dies and a moving plate at the top. Between these two dies there is a mold cavity which contains vacuum. And the bottom chamber consists of the crucible, where the molten metal gets collected after flowing through the gating system. It also consists of one or more openings through which the pressurized air is introduced. And both the chambers are connected through a tube, whose lower section is dipped into the molten metal, and upper section is connected to the mold cavity. Now let's discuss how this mold setup works. When we insert air into the bottom chamber at high pressure, we see that due to pressure the molten metal gets pushed downwards from the region which is exposed to the air. Thus the molten metal rises through the tube due to capillary action. Now if we apply more pressure to the molten metal, we see that the molten metal gets distributed evenly in the mold cavity, thus forming the casting product. Now leave this casting product aside to solidify. Thus, after dismantling the whole setup and removing the undesired projections on the casting, we get the solidified casting product as. Related terms are